Let's go through a couple scenarios to get an idea and a deeper understanding of what's involved in evidential support. First scenario, let's say most of the evidence that we have points to a belief's being true. Well, look at this, a seesaw or scale. So here we have the evidence, the reasons for belief are on the side of the belief being true. It's weighing down the scale. In that case, the belief is supported by the evidence. And what we'd say about the status of the evidential support, the belief is supported by the evidence. Scenario number 2, most of the relevant evidence points to a belief being false. So the scale or the seesaw is tipped the other way. If you look this, what the evidence against the belief is what is pushing the scale down. So the belief is undermined by the evidence because the evidence is against the belief. So in that case, the evidential support status, belief is undermined by the evidence. Most of the evidence goes against the belief. And now the third scenario we're going to look at is that the evidence is kind of equally split, pointing to a belief being true, pointing to a belief being false. In that case, the belief is not supported by the evidence, and it also is not undermined by the evidence. So it's equal on both sides, so it doesn't provide good support because 50-50 isn't good enough. If you think about it, in this case, if it's as if somebody's flipped a coin in the air and asked you to call it heads or tails, and you believe that it's going to land tails. You don't have any evidence that it's going to land tails as opposed to it's not landing tails. So your belief is not supported by that evidence. And notice that's what we're talking about. Evidential support is supporting belief, supporting